Imagine this. You're lying in bed, scrolling through your phone. You see it, make $500 a day from your phone. No boss. No stress. No experience. And something inside you says, what if this is real? So you click. You sign up. You try it. And at first it works. You make $20. Then $50. Then $100. And right when you start thinking, this might actually change my life, everything disappears. Your money. Your account. Your hope. Gone. And the worst part? You don't even know what just happened. This isn't just bad luck. It's not because you're careless. And it's definitely not because you're not smart enough. It's because you were playing a game where the rules were designed for you to lose. Today, I'm going to show you every type of money app scam that exists right now, how they actually work, and why millions of people fall for them even when they know better. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. The easy money trap. It always starts the same way. Opportunity. Not obvious danger. Because scams don't look like scams anymore. They look like hope. A side hustle. A shortcut. A second chance. Apps that promise. Earn while you sleep. Passive income. Just click and get paid. And here's the trick. They give you a small win first. A payout. A reward. Just enough to lower your guard. Because your brain thinks, if I made money once it must be real. That's called psychological anchoring. And once you're anchored, they pull you deeper. The deposit to unlock scam. Now comes the second layer. You try to withdraw your money. But suddenly, there's a problem. You need to deposit $50 to activate withdrawal. It sounds reasonable. Small fee. Big payout. So you do it. Then another message, you need to upgrade your account. Then pay tax before withdrawal. Then verification fee required. And before you realize it, you've paid $300 to unlock money that never existed. Because the goal was never to pay you. The goal was to keep you paying. The investment guru scam. Then there's the expert. The one who looks successful. Luxury lifestyle. Screenshots of profits. Testimonials everywhere. They say, I'll trade for you, guaranteed returns. Double your money in a week. And it feels real. Because they show proof. But here's what you don't see. The screenshots are fake. The profits are edited. The testimonials? Actors or victims. This is called social proof manipulation. Your brain sees others winning. So you trust the system. And by the time you realize it's fake, they've already disappeared. The task and reward scam. This one is exploding right now. Apps that pay you to like posts, watch videos, complete simple tasks. At first it works. You earn small amounts. It feels legit. Then suddenly you're asked to complete a premium task. But to unlock it you need to deposit money. And they promise you'll get it back with profit. But once you send it, game over. Because the early payouts were bait. The account takeover scam. Some scams don't ask for money. They ask for access. Verify your account. Confirm your login. Security check required. Looks official. Feels urgent. So you enter your details. And just like that, they're in. Your banking apps. Your payment apps. Your entire digital life. Gone in seconds. This is phishing. And it works because it creates pressure, urgency, fear. And when humans feel pressure, we stop thinking. Why smart people still fall for it? Here's the truth no one talks about. Scams don't target stupidity. They target emotion. Hope when you need money. Fear when you think you'll lose it. Urgency when time feels limited. And when emotion is high, logic disappears. That's why intelligent people fall for scams every day. Because in that moment, it doesn't feel like a scam. It feels like an opportunity. How to protect yourself. So how do you protect yourself? Simple. Slow down. Because every scam depends on speed. If something is pushing you to act fast, pause. If it promises guaranteed money, walk away. If you have to pay to unlock earnings, it's not real. And most importantly, if it feels too good to be true, it's designed that way. The internet didn't just create opportunity. It created perfectly engineered traps. But now, you see them. And once you see the system, you stop being the target. So the next time you see easy money, remember this, real wealth is built slowly. Scams are designed to look fast. And the difference between losing everything and building something real is one decision. Pause, think, then act. If you want more videos that protect your money and change how you think about wealth, subscribe to the Visual Finance. Because in a world full of traps, knowledge isn't power. It's protection.